Guys, so I'm back again, and this time I'm doing moisturizing and sealing of my hair after washing it, after doing the co-washing, protein treatment and deep condition. And to be honest guys, this is not the next morning because I took my hair like this throughout yesterday, so I'm going to be moisturizing and sealing it today. I couldn't moisturize and seal it yesterday because I didn't have that vibe, and thank God for the deep conditioner. It really kept my hair still moisturized because I didn't rinse it out way too much. According to the instruction, it says when you are rinsing it out, you can just rinse it out. You can still leave some portion of the deep conditioner on your hair. So yeah, that was what I did. And yeah, let me show you guys the hair. Oh, this is the protection so that the hair doesn't lose its moisture on all my lying down on bed. So oh my god, look at how my hair looks like. Yo, what is this? What is this, baby girl? So I'm going to be using, is it LOC method of moisturizing and sealing? You guys, my hair actually is giving me joy. If not for this heat damage that I have, look at the length. Like, oh my god, look at the length. Oh my goodness. Anyways, let us continue. In case my voice is sounding somehow, like it's really late at night and I don't want to be too loud so that I don't disturb others in the house. You get it? Okay, thank you. My goodness. So yes, this is what I'll be using. This is leave-in conditioner. I had to dilute it with water. I had to dilute it with water because I don't want, like, I'm just scared. I want to make sure that I don't use so much product on my hair. Now that I'm even trying to treat heat damage, everything is just scaring me. So I had to dilute some in the water. Then I'm going to use my oil, my coconut oil, and the C is for cream. Okay, LOC I mentioned. L for liquid, O for oil, and then C for cream. I'm using shea butter. Yo, so lovely. So these are the three things I'll be using to moisturize and seal my hair. So I'll start with the liquid, the leave-in conditioner. Omega Growth calls it leave-in strengthener, so anyone, whatever, I think it's the same function. So guys, there are actually two methods that is used to moisturize the hair, and which is LOC method and LCO method. So for the LOC method is liquid, oil and cream, which they basically use that one for those that has high porosity hair, while the LCO method, those with low porosity hair are the ones that use that method to moisturize their hair. So at this point I just needed to follow the LOC method because, like I mentioned, that my hair had heat damage, and it also led to dry hair, and my hair, whenever I wash it, it dries up very easily. So I decided to try this LOC method, although I think this is what I've been doing all this while. I mean, I would say sometimes when I do my moisturizing and sealing, those times I just basically use liquid and my oil to seal it. So yeah, then I was using just my water to hydrate my hair, and then I used the oil, my coconut oil, to seal it. I don't always make use of my chibi to do the last part of the method, but sometimes I do that. So anyways, at least now I know I know how it is done. So that is what I'm trying for this particular part of the video. So for the LOC method, like I mentioned, that those with high porosity hair make use of this method to moisturize their hair. So how it goes is that you make use of liquid first, and the liquid, it's obviously from the name liquid, so it can be water or leave-in spray, so whichever one you have available with you. Before I use water, I mean, even up till now, sometimes I know I'll still be using water, but this time around I made use of my leave-in spray. I mixed it with water to hydrate the hair, and then I make use of my coconut oil to seal the hair. And currently my chebe butter is not available, so I utilize the shea butter I have with me to apply it onto the strands of the hair. And the reason why this one is done lastly is because it is very thick, so it will give the hair more moisture, like it will help the hair to hold more moisture because it is very thick. So that is basically all about the LOC method. And yeah, I don't know, I still haven't done my hair porosity test, but from what I've been seeing, I can't even tell if I have high porosity hair. I feel like I have medium, because there are times that I make use of that LCO method as well for my hair, and then it doesn't really affect my hair. But the reason why I'm doing this is because now my hair actually has a damage, so it has actually led to dry hair, and yeah, obviously it's high in porosity. So guys, this is it. Now I don't feel those stringy feeling again. Like those parts that were really hard around this side is now soft, and trust me, I think this thing is really working. Like my hair is now soft. It's really soft. Wow, like I can't believe it. Oh my god. The co-washing, protein treatment, and deep conditioning is really nice, really nice. So I'm just going to continue doing it. Although the protein treatment, I do it just once in a month, but I'll be deep conditioning my hair now once every 2 weeks, since I wash my hair every 2 weeks, after every 2 weeks. So I'll be deep conditioning it now. Wow, I'm really happy now. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that my hair is now soft. You know, like I can't get enough of this hair. Oh my god. So I'm going to do the same thing I did to this part. You can see the difference. This side, look at, oh my god. So let me do this side. You guys should wait, okay? So guys, this is it. So as it is now, it is a process, not a magic. So doing this just once doesn't determine that the heat damage will heal completely. So it's something that is a process, consistency, and then the heat damage is going to go. So not like some people just use a product and then expect a magic to happen the next day. So yes, I know I still have to do this often so that the heat damage will go completely. And thankfully, oh, I love the way my hair is looking now. Unlike before I did this, I was so sad. But now I'm so happy that my hair has life back now. So what I'm going to do now is just braid it into 2 parts, this angle and this angle, and then I'm going to cover my hair back with the silk material, and then I go to bed and sleep, and I'll show you guys the look in the morning. hopefully by God's grace. I don't know, I just don't know why. Anyways, by God's grace, I'm going to show you guys the look in the morning. Okay, so let me braid it. So guys, like I mentioned, that now my hair is high in porosity because it loses its moisture very easily. And yeah, so remember in one of my video where I explained about high porosity hair and low porosity hair, and I mentioned that one of the causes of high porosity hair is as a result of excessive heat. And so due to the fact that I have heat damage, like, it has led my hair to become high porosity. So yes, that is the reason why I'm doing all of this, just to ensure that I'm able to treat the heat damage. So guys, I'm going to see you in the morning, okay? Yo, baby girl, I'm so happy. I'm super happy and excited. Oh, I'm so cold. Oh my god, I'm really cold. I need to go now, guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. So guys, I won't be. Oh, hi guys. She's saying hi guys. So guys, this is actually the next day, but I won't be taking it down because tomorrow is Sunday, and instead of taking it down today and make it rough, I don't want that. So I'm going to take it down tomorrow, Sunday, and then I'll show you guys the final outcome. Okay, so stay tuned. Mwah. Yeah, give them a kiss. Mwah. So guys, as promised, this was a beautiful Sunday morning, and I said I was going to show you guys the outcome. And so I had to apply a little bit of my coconut oil just to add moisture to the hair, because the rate at which my hair is losing its moisture is honestly nothing to write home about. Honestly, I'm still feeling so sad. I just hopefully my hair will come back to its usual state. Hopefully by God's grace, because yo, my god, oh my god, I don't know, like, managing dry hair is just not something easy. Like, it's not easy. So I had to add the coconut oil to add more moisture to the hair. Yeah, finally this is the look. And yo, I'm loving the look of my hair. Actually, like, I was just so excited as to how the hair turned out. It was really like, I was so happy. I was so happy. So guys, yes, this is it. Like, this is it. Baby girl is just feeling herself. Like, I was just busy feeling myself. So the next thing left is to trim my hair, which of course I'm going to be trimming. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.